Alright, so welcome back to the video. Oh, how the seasons are changing. Back up here at the BP compound, we're just getting some of our stuff straight and realizing that, well, we have a storm coming in, and hopefully the hurricane. Hopefully you guys will all stay safe. It's not gonna be bad too here, but you can tell we're getting a lot of rain and wind coming here shortly, so. And it's getting colder out here, which I freaking love. I love the wind. Starting off, the pool, she needs to get covered, man. It's getting pretty bad. We're gonna do a little cleaning on it right now. Go ahead and try to get all the leaves out because it is so windy today. Braden lives around a bunch of trees. Pool's getting covered in all these leaves, so Braden's blowing it off right now. We're gonna come in with the little net, try to get as much as we can out, and then go ahead and actually throw the pool cover on for the winter. Y'all enjoy the time lapse. Let's go ahead and set you guys up on the tripod and let's get this pool covered up. Alright, so we got the cover all done and we're looking good. It's kind of cool how this goes on. They make it pretty like tough, so it just, the conditions are good. Pretty much have these little holes with these Allen keys, and you strap all of them down all the way around, and then you can adjust these two, and then you kind of tell them to the tool.
Yep, this is the tool right here. So we'll just show you real quick. Got this little knob right here. Basically what you do is you get the part that sticks down on the opposite side, round. It gets that long part underneath here, so you can pop it up.
Yep, and you got leverage to put it back.
Exactly, it's all about leverage. Fall down like that, twist it around.
Boom.
There you go.
They're all done now, it's looking good. This pool cover, it's kind of a pain in the ass when you gotta take it in and out. So once you have all of them down, it's gonna do good. It's gonna protect from all the leaves. We try to clean it as best we can. All the leaves were kind of in there, but if we left it, you know, a couple more days, probably I give it about a week or two, all the leaves on the trees are gonna be out. So they would have been in the pool and it would have been about a 4-foot mess. It was in good shape. I'm real happy with it. We're gonna have to put the stairs up and just the here and there's, and we'll mess with this next year. You guys remember and enjoyed the video when I went back here and tackled this whole fence. I told you guys I'd give you an update. So we're walking back here now. Oh yeah. Old weed killer did the trick, man. She is all dead. And what's easy about this now too, because it's not living, you can kind of go through here, and if I really wanted to, I could try to pull out all of, still breaks, it's gonna be a pain in the ass, but at least all of it's dead, and I could work this fence line or come back with the weed eater and just kind of try to knock it down a little bit easier. But it's out of our hair. What we're gonna jump to next is actually some pit bikes and some pit wheelers. You guys probably saw the video with Braden, and they went back there and redid the whole entire track, and it's just dust. So the bikes are filthy. But we're gonna go ahead and pull all of them out, and let's get to washing. Oh yeah, these are in pretty rough shape. They're all covered in dust. These don't look too bad, but we'll get them out too. All right, with these little guys, we got a lot of room, so we're actually gonna be able to wash everything right here on the pad, and all we gotta do is just put them right back. Everything I wash, these are the easiest, because I mean, they're so small and really can't get these about too dirty. It's normally just all this dust. Let's go ahead and drag the power washer over and let's knock these out. All right, everything is clean, looking good, and guys, you just cannot beat this weather. We got perfect overcast right now. The storm is pretty bad. Like I said, if there's anybody who's in Florida who's dealing with that right now, where I mean everyone's getting impacted by it, y'all please be safe, because it's no joke. I love storms, but you can tell it's moving in. This one's gonna be pretty bad. My buddy Dylan, he lives in Florida, and he sent me some videos, and yeah, it's pretty gnarly over there. And all 6 machines are knocked out. Better get a ton of rain, but might be nice and hit Buddy's truck real quick and just try to knock all this mud off for him. Go ahead and let them dry for a little bit longer. We'll pull them in, hit them with some SC1, and we'll call it a day. If they've dried enough, let's go ahead and pull them all in and get them all nice. Also too, there's anytime something's washed and it's pulled in, or even when we get done riding them and we throw them back in here, and I'm not here to wash them, just mud cakes and falls everywhere. So this whole entire shop in here is just caked in mud. There's no point to put brand new machines that are washed into a nasty garage. So let's go ahead and wish we had a broom, but we don't. I'll just try to knock it with my feet. It should all be loose. Let's just try to blow most of it out and get it all looking good again. You see everything's back in here. What we're gonna do now is called SC1. I say it out every time I do these videos. SC1 is like literally my best friend when it comes to washing stuff. It's pretty much a ceramic coating for anything that has plastic. I mean, it can go on anything, but this stuff's really great. It protects plastic, keeps a lot of mud off of it, gives them that nice shine. So whenever we want to go use them again, and you feel clean getting on her. So let's go ahead and grab a can. Let's get the spray. That's what it looks like if you're wondering. Oh, look at the shine, look at the shine. They are looking good. I want to show you guys something real quick. This will be a video coming up. This morning, Braden called me and he was like, come outside, I got a surprise for you. And I'm like, I thought I heard the skid steer start up. He was going somewhere. Joker came home on the skid steer with an old smoker. Started messing around with it a little bit, but there she is, y'all. This thing is actually pretty cool. I love restoring a bunch of stuff, which we're about to go inside and have some K10 talk. This thing's pretty cool. We need a little bit of welding. It needs to get all cleaned out. It's what's badass. The top's a smoker, and then you come back here. Here we go. This is kind of like a little grill, but it's got the air vent back up there. So you could be cooking here, but the smoke's coming up and you're actually smoking something in there. So it's pretty unique. It's definitely worth restoring. We might bring this down to the hunting club. But that will be a video coming up. We're gonna get hit for like 3 or 4 days. It rained from that storm. So we need to kind of take care of it a little bit out here before we bring it into the shop. But I'm gonna do a full sanding and restoration, paint the whole 9 yards for that thing. So that would be pretty cool. I might even surprise Braden and do something special for him, like put his name on it, like something for the deer club. I don't know, we'll figure it out. But jump back in here, let's have some K10 talk. So for y'all who don't know, if you missed the video, I just purchased a new truck. It's a new truck to me, but the truck itself is not new. It's a 1979 K10 Scottsdale. So I'm freaking jacked about it. I love square bodies. It's been a big hobby. So if you guys have missed that video, go check it out. The ones who did watch that video, let's talk about it a little bit more. In the video, I was saying what we're gonna have to start with first, trying to take care of the rust. Guys, last night for like under 300 bucks, I ordered, actually let's check, let's see what I got. Auto Metal Direct has a bunch of cool stuff. So I got the new floorboard for my feet for the driver's side. We got both rockers, we got cab corners, there's a lot more stuff. I got all brand new grinders, all my new discs to cut it out. So I'm pretty pumped. A bunch of 3M primer. Guys, I'm super excited about that. As soon as we get home, we're jumping right into that project. I'm already talking to a couple companies about getting like I don't know how we're gonna start there first. This isn't what this video is about. I'm excited about it. I know you guys really enjoyed that video and the project, so I want to bring it up as much as we can. The seat's blown out. I'm going through a couple different options about getting new seats, and might as well try to get everything to match, but I'm so far ahead of myself because I got to figure out what I want to paint the truck and what we got to do. There's a bunch of stages this truck has to happen and come together, but if you tackle one thing, it could screw you by not doing it now, and then so it's all mental thoughts. You got to really keep that in mind. Like I said, guys, if you've not checked out that video, go check it out. Leave me a comment. There was a ton of good comments. I read all of y'all's. We're working as a team. You guys watch me, but I also listen to you guys, and I bring those ideas back into the videos. Keep the positivity coming. We appreciate you guys watching. Until next time, Litton Bass TV.